In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentage discount coupons fast and easy, whether you're looking to boost your sales or simply offer a little something extra to your loyal customers. Setting up discount coupons in WordPress can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to access the WordPress dashboard. This is the main hub of your website where you'll manage all your content and features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Look for the section labeled Marketing. It's your go-to place for all things related to promotions and customer engagement on your site. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Marketing, you will see a list of options. Our focus is on coupons, so go ahead and click on that. Now you're at the center for creating and managing all your coupon codes. To create a new coupon, locate the Add New Coupon button, usually positioned towards the top of the page. Click on this to start setting up your new discount offer. Now it's time to enter the details for your coupon. The first crucial piece of information is the coupon code itself. This is what your customers will enter to receive their discount, so make it something short, memorable, and relevant. Type your desired coupon code into the appropriate field. Once you've added the code, let's move on to the description box. Here you can detail what the coupon is for, or any terms and conditions that might apply. This step, although optional, is a great way to communicate exactly how your customers can benefit from the discount, or if there are any specific times or conditions under which it can be applied. Next, we'll focus on selecting the type of discount. Direct your attention to the General tab, which you'll find as you scroll down on the page. Within this section, there's an option labeled Discount Type. Click on the drop-down menu and select Percentage Discount. This tells the system that you want to apply a percentage off the regular price rather than a fixed currency amount. After selecting the discount type, you'll need to specify the exact percentage amount. In the Amount box, enter the percentage you wish to offer. For instance, if you want to give a 20% discount, just type 20. With all these details in place, the last step is to publish your coupon. Look for the Publish button on the right-hand side and click it. This action will make your coupon live and usable on your site. And there you have it. You've just created a percentage discount coupon quickly and effortlessly. Now your customers can start enjoying savings, and you can enjoy the benefits of increased engagement and sales. Thanks for watching, and happy discounting!